Okay, so next question we'll go through now is BMQ question 3b. BMQ question 3b. Okay, so previously we have done 3a. 3a is in a separate video. Now we're going to do 3b. Okay, so now we are going to like x3, x power 3, and highest powers of x. Okay, we're going to show that x multiplied by tangent x plus power 3 approximately gives us square root 3x and 4x squared. How do you go about doing this? Okay, first we have to check that you are able to recognize based on your remember from lecture question that if x is small, okay, we can still assume that x2x is small. Okay, however, this is not small, right? X plus power 3, remember, this is not small. This is a significantly large angle. It could be more than power 3. Okay, so for this, right, we cannot use the angle approximation. We cannot use the approximation right away. We cannot use the Macronic expansion right away. Right. So what we need to do is that we first, before we go about doing this, we need to expand. Okay, we need to expand. So x tangent x plus pi over 3. How do you go about doing this? The step that we need to do is we need to use addition formula. Okay, we need to use addition formula. And so over here, the formula that we are using. Okay, remember that you have studied this in your junior high or sec 4A math days. Tangent A plus tangent B is tangent A plus B. Tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Okay, so based on that, you know that this is your A, this is the B. Okay, so this is x multiplied by tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Okay. Oh, that give you now. Okay, so now you say A, you are left with tangent x. So all these seems to be you can actually use a formula to get the answer. Okay. So what's next step? All you do is to simplify the working. Okay, so you have tangent pi over 3. You can actually get it from your calculator. Of course, this is 60 degrees, so you can easily see that this is just tangent x plus what's tangent pi over 3? It's just square root 3. That's all. And then 1 minus this is square root 3, so you have square root 3 multiplied by tangent x. Okay, this is what you have now. Okay, so before again you see a denominator, what can you do the denominator? Just like in 3a, right? You can write it at the side. And so we are going to use binomial one more time. Okay, this is the numerator multiplied by denominator. So can you see it's 1 minus square root 3 tangent x to the power of negative 1. Okay. And approximately you know that in tangent x, for x is smaller, what's tangent x? Tangent x based on MF26. Tangent x is nothing but approximately x. Okay, this is approximately x. So what can we do? That means we can take away tangent x. We can replace it with x. This is approximately x. Remember, this is approximately x. So again, we take this and we replace it with x. It is a multiplication sign. Okay, so after that, you are left, okay, summing everything, you are left with x square plus square root 3x. Okay, that's on the left hand side. In the denominator, you have 1 minus square root 3 x to the power negative 1. So what do I do with this? We just start in 3a. You see this? It's two terms, so it's a binomial. You see a power n. What can you do? Okay, all you need to do is just binomial expansion. Okay, so x square plus square root 3x binomial expansion. This is one term and variable square root 3x. Two terms minus 2 over 2 factorial negative square root 3x to the power of 2. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, after that, simplifying everything and just taking only the power x and power x square terms, okay, those coefficient of x and x square, you see that I want this, okay, and yeah, that's all for what you can get. So you're going to end up with okay, so this over here is going to give you the total. Okay, let me just simplify because this x square plus square root 3x, okay, this is 1 plus square root 3x. Based on this is just going to give me 2 factorial with square root 3 3 over 2 x squared. Okay, and then the final answer that you leave in terms of x and x squared, that's all you need.